Exercise 2.3 second sum. Find the area of the trapezium whose parallel sides are 24 centimeter and 20 centimeter and distance between them is 15 centimeter. That is, here you are supposed to find the area of the trapezium where the parallel sides are 24 and 20, 20 and 24. You can write smallest side as may on the top and longest side down. Distance between the parallel sides is given as 15, that is meant to be your height. So, your height is your distance between the parallel sides. So, I have written A is equal to 24, B is equal to 20, H is equal to 15. Area of the trapezium is equal to half into H into A plus B. So, it is equal to, you substitute the values now. H is 15, A plus B means 24 plus 20. So, it is equal to half into 15 into 44. Add these two means you will get 44. Now, you cancel 22. So, 15 into 20. 22, 30, 30, 330. It is equal to 330 centimeter square. So, area is mentioned in centimeter square. Area of the trapezium, third sum. Area of the trapezium is 1586 square centimeter. The distance between its parallel sides is 26 centimeter. One of the parallel side is 84, then find the other side. So, here area is given for you, distance between the parallel sides is given as 26, that is your height. One of the parallel side is 84, you are supposed to find the other side. You are supposed to find out B. A is 84, B. First write what is all given, then you write the formula, then you substitute the values. That's all. It's easy steps, you can finish it up. So, it is equal to, your area is given as 1586, half into H is given as what? 26. Distance between the parallel sides is your height. Next, A is given as 84 plus B. You don't know B. Now, you cancel, it will be easy for you. 13. So, 1586 divided by 13. Bring this 13 down. It is equal to 84 plus B. You can divide and see 1586 divided by 13. So, 1 time 13, 28. 2 times means 26. So, 26. Again to bring the 6 down, again 2 times it is 26, remainder is 0. So, 122 is equal to 84 plus B. So, B is equal to what? 122 minus 84. So, 122 minus 84, 12, 11, 8, 3. So, what's your value? 38. Your B is equal to 38. B is equal to 38 centimeter. So, you write finally B is equal to 38 centimeter. That is, the other side is 38 centimeter. Fourth sum. The area of the trapezium is 1080 square centimeter. Length of the side is 55.6 centimeter and 34.4 centimeter. Find the distance between them. Here, area is given as 1080 centimeter square. A is given as 34.4, B is given as 55.6. We are supposed to find the height. So, area of the trapezium is equal to half into H into A plus B. The whole exercise is only in this. 1080 is equal to half into H, you don't know. A is 34.4 plus 55.6. So, 1080 is equal to half into H into, you multiply this, then you can cancel. So, if you add this means 34.4, 55.6. Add this means you will get 0, 1, 0, 8, 9, 90. Now, you cancel 45 times. So, 1080 divided by 45 is equal to your H. Bring this 45 down. Then you do the division. 45, 1080. So, 2 times means 90, you know. Subtract means 180. 4 times means 180. Remainder is 0. So, your H is equal to 24. That is, height is equal to 24 centimeter. H is equal to what? 24 centimeter. Next is, area of the trapezium is 180 square centimeter and its height is 9 centimeter. One of the parallel sides is longer than the other side by 6 centimeter. Find the length of the parallel side. So, here area is given as 180 centimeter square, height is given as 9. Height is 9. Parallel sides are longer than the other by 6 centimeter. So, one you name it as A, the other one here I have named it as A, other one is 6 more than the parallel side. So, 6A plus 6, more means you know it is plus. So, I have written 6, as it is 6 more than the other side means A plus 6. So, you can substitute like that itself. Area of a trapezium is equal to half into H into A plus B. So it is equal to, your area is given as 180. It is equal to half into h is given as what? 9 into a plus b. Instead of b, you will write a plus 6. It is 6 more than the first side. So a plus 6. So now 180 into 2 by 9 is equal to a plus a is what? 2a plus 6. So cancel, this means 20. 20 into 2 will give you 40 is equal to 2a plus 6. 40 minus 6 plus 6, it comes this side, becomes minus 6 is equal to 2a. 34 is equal to 2a. So a is equal to what? 34 divided by 2. Bring this 2 down. It is equal to what? 17 centimeter. So 1 is 17 means your b is equal to what? 17 plus 6 is equal to 23 centimeter. So what's the other side? 23 centimeter.